What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today's video is this is the updated bot of the final candle of currently what we were using. As you guys can see, I have Kalshi up on the screen to kind of show you where Kalshi is following, and I also have the bot in the background to show you if it's matching the market. This bot is currently still in beta. There is a lot of changes that it still need to be done, but we're getting there as we continue to build and learn from the market, the rules, the percentages, the weights, etc., etc. If this is something you guys are interested in, please make sure that you check the comment section below, as I do have a Discord link. You can join Discord and join the community and come hang out with us, ask questions. Sometimes we live stream and try to catch up with some market information and just get to know one another. But let's get right into it. All right, so kind of what we have in here, right, is so we have this candle indicator. Within the candle indicator, we can go to live, right? Kind of shows you past markets since you've been running it. I've taken kind of like what I have. So I have a TradingView Pine script as well, taken some of that and kind of converted it into here. So you have the fair value gap for bulls and bears. You have the EMA line, which is pretty much like your anchor line. You have what shape is kind of forming. There's more than one shape forming, but it's kind of telling you which one's winning. Which if you go down and expand, right? So if you show all of them, you got the bull flags, bear flags, doji, engulfing, pin bar, double top, double bottom, cup and handle, head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders, change of structure, trap detector. So like all of these are still being finessed and trying to figure them out, right? But that kind of gives you an idea. And then overarching, it just tells you, hey, which one's winning based off the most that are showing. And then you have the market, right? So it currently mixed, pressures, mixed, tools, bears are leading. And then your record, which obviously like I've been doing a lot of updates, so the record I haven't fully tested all the way through, but yesterday it went 13-1, or last night went 13-1. Session history, so you have like your last session history, your daily record, final call, and what your early read was, how many times it flipped. Up here, you can change overlays, so you can turn things off or turn them on, whatever you want. You can change to 5 minutes, 15 minutes. You got your blended price, your Kalshi strike, your gap. If there's a flip detected, so this flip detected uses break of structure or change of structure. It caught a pretty nice flip last night. The window that you're currently in, time remaining, your trend, so like your overall like market trend. So if you have a bunch of downs, it's going to change to bearish. If you have a bunch of ups, it's going to change to bullish. And then this is your current winning pattern. So as you can see, right, the cup and handle is at 74. So typically if these get to like 80, 90 and hold, it's probably changing that direction if the time matches. All right, so then over here you have your final call just locked in at down. Current window, early read, locked down at down, final is down. This final is what the record goes based off of, this record and everything else, and then obviously early. This will continue to change with the market, so it'll either say bet down or bet up depending on like what it thinks that you should be betting. These will not change, so just be mindful of that. I might set this up to where this one at least changes, or at least this one matches this, and then these just stay locked. But I kind of like that this is what it locked in at, so you know. And then it takes your indicator votes, right? So indicator votes are all based on a percentage to kind of show you where they're sitting at. You have all your shapes and shit in here as well. And then it takes that and then takes the average and then gives you which one's winning. So if you didn't want to open this tab up, right, you know down is winning down in the indicators, which also matches up here, right? All right, so then you're using Coinbase, Kraken, Gemini, Bitstamp, Kalshi, and then Kalshi BRTI, which you can use throughout the thing. You go into settings, right? You can set up your Kalshi API. You can do a Discord webhook. You can change the whale trading, turn different blend sources on that you want. And then what time zone you're currently in, and you can use all those. You can change the time that it early read locks, final lock locks, and your flip. But That is pretty much the bot. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Like I said, if you guys are interested in this type of content, or you guys are interested in this bot, please go ahead and join the Discord down below. But I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.